Want to effortlessly monitor your Bybit crypto holdings directly within Coinmarketcap? Let's get started. First, head over to Coinmarketcap if you don't already have an account. Click on Sign Up in the top right corner and create one if you already have an account. Log in. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Portfolio Tracker section. Look for a prominent button labeled Connect Exchange and click on it. It is usually located under your total portfolio balance. A list of available exchanges will appear. Find Bybit in the list and select it. Now, switch over to your Bybit account. Go to your profile and find the API Management section. You'll likely find it under Account Security or a similar setting. On the API Management page, create a new API key. Make sure you choose a name for the API key that will help you remember it's for Coinmarketcap. Most importantly, select the option to only allow read-only access. This is crucial for security. Coinmarketcap only needs to view your portfolio, not make any trades. Once created, Bybit will generate an API key and a secret key. Carefully copy both of these. Remember, keep your secret key confidential. Return to Coinmarketcap. You should have a pop-up window open asking for your Bybit API key and secret key. Paste the API key and secret key you copied from Bybit into the corresponding fields. Click Connect. Coinmarketcap will now sync with your Bybit account and display your holdings within your portfolio tracker. It may take a few minutes for the data to fully load. You can now easily track your Bybit assets alongside any other coins you hold.